Welcome to today's quick guide on making audio calls through Instagram, whether you're catching up with friends or connecting with someone new. Let's walk through the simple steps to start a voice call directly in the app. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Once you're on the home screen, look for the messenger icon in the top right corner. It's the little paper airplane symbol. Tap that to open your direct messages. Now, find the chat with the person you'd like to call. If you haven't messaged them before, start a new conversation by tapping the plus sign in the top right corner. Select their profile and send a quick hi to establish the chat. Once they've accepted your message, you're ready to call. Inside the chat, glance up at the top right corner again. You'll spot two icons, a phone and a video camera. Tap the phone icon to initiate an audio call. Instagram will ring the person, and if they're online or have notifications enabled, they'll receive the call. While waiting for them to answer, you'll see options to mute your microphone or end the call. If you want to add more people to the conversation, tap the person icon at the bottom to invite others. You can also share a link to the call if you'd like to include someone who isn't in your direct messages. Once the call connects, you're all set to chat. Need to multitask? Swipe down slightly to minimize the call screen and browse Instagram while talking. To end the call, just tap the red phone icon. Remember, both you and the person you're calling need to have accepted each other's messages for this to work. If you're using a business or creator account, double-check your settings, as some features may differ. That's all there is to it. Whether you're saving your phone minutes or connecting with someone who prefers Instagram, audio calls are a handy way to stay in touch. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.